Hello angels and welcome back to A Drop from Eden. If you're new to my channel, my name is Felicia Patterson, a women therapist, minister, psychology major, and biblical and educational author. Today we are going to be making one of my new soap designs, a watermelon tourmaline crystal soap with a surprise gift hidden inside. Stick around until the end of this video to see this surprise gift. Let's get started. Because I'm making this soap for my shop, it is important that we take all safety precaution and washing our hands and wearing gloves. We're going to start by cutting up our soap base. I think we got a good mold here. Sometimes they tend to be a little stuck. Just gotta break that seal. There we go. So since we're making a watermelon tourmaline soap, and it's 3 colors, we need to chop and mix this up into 3 equal parts. We chop this up into smaller pieces because it makes it melt a lot smoother and less chance of burning the soap. And the last thing we want to do is risk burning it because it smells terrible and no amount of essential oil or fragrance oil can fix it. Put the rest of this aside for now. That's a 6-ounce bar soap that we are making. So we want to separate this into about 1.8 ounces each. Here we go. It's a bigger piece. It's important to get this to size as you can so you don't have much left over. We are back and we have the soap base in about 2 inches or 3 centimeters of water. Now, a lot of people will just pop this in the microwave, which can be a huge mistake, especially if doing small amounts of soap or layered soap, because the base will burn a lot quickly, and it is impossible to fix a soap base once it is burnt. So I will be back in a few minutes when the soap base has completely melted. Okay, angels, we are back, and everything is almost melted. I have added Pearl X Magenta Mica along with some biodegradable rose gold glitter to pink wire. My label came off, but it's the same thing, just a white glitter to the clear base. And then the Pearl X Emerald Mica along with the Mystic Gem Dark Green Glitter. So now it's time to add our essential oils. Now we don't want to overdo the essential oils because that can cause a skin reaction. So we want to keep our essential oil between a 2 and 3%. Since this is a 6-ounce bar of soap, that would be equivalent to around 144 drops. Since this is separated into 3 layers, I'm going to put about 30 drops, give or take, in each layer. Dirty. One, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. That one got 32, but that's alright. I lessened it just a little bit for the margin of error. I'm going to give this a quick stir. So I wanted these to be colored but iridescent, so I was very careful with how much mica I put in. If I put too much in, then you won't, then it would be a solid bar. It wouldn't give that iridescent look. So these are all stirred up. I'm going to mix my mold here with a little bit of alcohol because I find that helps upon the release process.
Just one more quick stir here. Now that we got that all in there, I'm going to mix the top with rubbing alcohol to get out any bubbles, and then toss it in the freezer for a few minutes until it has a thick skin on it. And we are back. I skipped videoing the second layer, which includes my secret gift, which I will unveil at the end of this video, and we will continue pouring the final layer. Now this is one of the most crucial parts, because our soap needs to be fluid enough that it pours smoothly, but not hot enough that it'll melt our other layer of soap, blending the colors. So to start off with, I'm going to spritz my mold with rubbing alcohol. This will make sure that the layers adhere properly. I'm going to remove this from the heat. And give it a quick stir. The key with this stuff is you want to be able to touch it and it not burn you before you pour it in the mold. You want it almost room temperature. That's still a little bit hot, so we'll give that a few more seconds. And keep stirring it so it don't form that hard skim on the top. Yeah, I can touch it and it is almost room temperature. So we're going to go ahead and pour this into our mold. And now we're going to split this with the rubbing alcohol and pop into the freezer to set up. And we will be back in about 30 minutes to unveil the soap. And we are back. It was late last night, so I ended up letting this stay in the freezer overnight. But you can see that it is solid. So I'm just going to take my silicone popsicle stick and ease around the edges of this real gentle to break the seal.
There we go, we got all sides. Now I'm going to gently push up words from the bottom, being careful not to push too hard on the tip of the gemstone. And here it comes. And here we have a perfect watermelon tourmaline. And for those who stuck around to see the surprise gift, this one has a ruby embedded in the clear layer of the soap. I currently have 10 of these made and added to my shop. 4 of these include gemstones. The others include rings, butterflies, and discount codes. So if you like watermelon soap, check out my site at adropfromeden.com. Links will be in the description below. Until next time, angels.